Hi, this is Brantley with dSupport Online, and welcome to our dMystify series. Today we'll be going over the Google Chrome software removal tool, and you can find that under our DMZ auto mode profiles for malware removal tab, and the manual section is towards the bottom because it's one of the last steps you would probably want to take. And basically what this tool will do is it'll go through and scan the system for any toolbars or extensions or any other items in Google Chrome that might have gotten missed by any of the antivirus or anti-malware apps. And also we'll go through and perform a full factory reset on Google Chrome. So to start off here, we'll go ahead and check out the website for the app, which is basically Google's support page. And it'll go through and describe the tool and what it's used for. And fairly basic, simple information here. Searches for programs that are known to cause problems for Chrome. And also there's a checkbox to help Google review some information, so the security conscious there might want to uncheck that before running the tool. And known issues are that it may not be able to take out some aggressive malware, but it does get the other items that normally most of your antivirus or anti-malware tools aren't scanning for, like extensions especially. And they do say if you're still having issues that you will want to click and learn more about getting rid of malware, which goes through quite a few more settings and options that you may have to remove malware on systems. But really at this point, if you're using D7.2, not going to really need that side. This just takes care of some of the smaller cleanup items that you'll need to do. So we'll just go through and run this tool. See, it's a fairly quick download, and here it would have checked for any suspicious programs and gone ahead and alerted you to them. Here was that checkbox if you were security conscious and didn't want to send more information to Google. We'll go ahead and say continue here. And the next thing it brings you to is the reset for Google Chrome, and this will reset all the data and everything back to basically factory or install conditions for Google Chrome. And basically at that point, Google Chrome should be back to just like it was installed. And of course, if your user is syncing with Google Chrome's sign-in feature for their Gmail account or Google account, it will sync all of their favorites and toolbars and extensions back. So you may want to have them sign in just to double check to make sure none of those are syncing out there. And we'll go ahead and check out the download page for the app. It is a fairly simple download page. It is for Windows only right now, and it is of course in Google's famous beta stages. But basically you just download that tool, or click download there, and that'll download the software removal tool exe. And if we go ahead and look at the app's configuration in D7.2, you can see our apps page is for the support page, and that download page we just looked at. It is a manual app because you will have to click through the couple options there. And it does run on all versions of Windows 32 and 64-bit. For download, we just have it downloading that exe file. No pre-execution options. Execution, we run the exe file and then wait for the app's termination. No post-execution options. And we do have it set to download every day, every time. It will give you an audible alert before running in auto mode. And then we have our app description and the work report language. So it is a fairly simple tool, but we'll clean up a few extensions and other toolbars and things that might have gotten missed by all the other antivirus and malware removal tools that you may have run during your malware removal process. So it is a nice option to have and kind of do your full cleanup and get everything taken care of there. So I hope that has demystified Google Chrome software removal tool a little for you, and I want to thank you for watching.